Here on the Inspirational Health House, we hope to give you inspiration along with health and wellness tips. This can be your go-to motivation hub for nutrition and healthy lifestyle living. We're all about health and wellness. Maybe you will find that motivation you need here on the Inspirational Health House. Welcome to our video on how to improve your health with intermittent fasting. If you're looking for a sustainable and effective way to boost your overall health and well-being, intermittent fasting might be just what you need. Intermittent fasting is a dietary pattern that involves alternating between periods of fasting and non-fasting. This method of eating has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can have numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and more. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about intermittent fasting, including the different types of fasting, how to incorporate it into your daily routine, and the health benefits that you can expect to see. We'll start by breaking down the different types of intermittent fasting and help you choose the method that works best for you. From there, we'll give you tips on how to gradually incorporate intermittent fasting into your lifestyle, so you can start seeing results without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your overall health, or simply want to try something new, intermittent fasting is a great option to consider. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn all about how to improve your health with intermittent fasting. Here are some tips on how to incorporate intermittent fasting into your lifestyle to improve your health. Choose the right fasting method. There are several types of intermittent fasting, including the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. The 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories to 500 to 600 for 2 days. And alternate day fasting, where you eat normally one day and then restrict calories to 500 to 600 the next day. Choose a method that works best for your lifestyle and health goals. Start slowly. If you're new to intermittent fasting, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase your fasting periods. Begin with a 12-hour fast and gradually increase to longer periods. Stay hydrated. It's important to drink plenty of water during your fasting periods to stay hydrated and prevent hunger. Eat a balanced diet. During your eating periods, be sure to eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Don't overeat during eating periods. It's easy to overeat during your eating periods, but this can negate the benefits of fasting. Instead, focus on eating nutritious, satisfying meals that will keep you full for longer. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy or lightheaded during your fasting periods, it's important to listen to your body and break your fast. Intermittent fasting should not be used as an excuse to ignore your body's needs. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to intermittent fasting. Stick to your chosen fasting schedule as much as possible to see the best results. Intermittent fasting has several benefits for your health and well-being. Here are some of the key benefits. Weight loss. Intermittent fasting can help you lose weight by reducing your calorie intake and boosting your metabolism. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can lead to significant weight loss and a reduction in body fat, particularly in the abdominal area. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, which is the body's ability to use insulin effectively to regulate blood sugar levels. Improved insulin sensitivity can lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and improve overall metabolic health. Reduced inflammation. Intermittent fasting can reduce inflammation in the body, which has been linked to several chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Improved heart health. Intermittent fasting can lower blood pressure, triglyceride levels, and LDL cholesterol levels, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. Improved brain function. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve cognitive function, increase brain-derived neurotrophic factor levels, and reduce the risk of developing neurological conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Increased lifespan. Some studies suggest that it may increase lifespan by improving cellular repair processes and reducing oxidative stress. Convenience and simplicity. Intermittent fasting can be a convenient and simple way to eat, as it eliminates the need for calorie counting and meal planning. It can also be easier to stick to than other diets, as it does not require cutting out entire food groups. Overall, intermittent fasting can have many benefits for your health and well-being. However, it's important to remember that it's not a one-size-fits-all approach, and you should consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary regimen. How intermittent fasting boosts brain power. Intermittent fasting has been shown to have several health benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and reduced inflammation. But did you know that intermittent fasting can also boost brain power? Here's how. Increases neuroplasticity. Intermittent fasting has been shown to increase the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which plays a crucial role in promoting neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to adapt and change in response to new experiences, and learning, and is essential for cognitive function. Enhances memory and learning. Research suggests that intermittent fasting can enhance memory and learning by promoting the growth of new neurons and synapses in the hippocampus, a brain region involved in memory formation. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been linked to cognitive decline and neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation in the brain and throughout the body, which may help protect against cognitive decline. Increases production of ketones. During fasting periods, the body produces ketones, which are an alternative source of energy for the brain. Ketones have been shown to have neuroprotective properties and may enhance cognitive function. Improves mood and reduces stress. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve mood and reduce stress levels, which can have a positive impact on cognitive function. Overall, intermittent fasting can be a safe and effective way to boost brain power and improve cognitive function. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Thank you for watching this video about how you can improve your health with intermittent fasting. Incorporating fasting into your lifestyle can have a positive impact on your overall health, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and reduced inflammation. Remember to start slowly and choose a fasting method that works for you. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and listen to your body's needs. Consistency is key, so stick to your chosen fasting schedule as much as possible to see the best results. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with intermittent fasting, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.